let's take a walk through the Diagnopiad assessment. To begin the assessment, click on Start. The page will load to the main menu. Here, there are 2 books. There can be more. You will be required to attempt all the books. The number of questions in a particular book are shown here. For example, this book has 12 questions and this book has 8 questions. This number tells us the number of books completed by you. The timer here shows you how much time is left. And the Finish button to finish and exit the assessment. Some books are for reading while others are audiobooks. To open a book, click on it. A book opens to a page like this. You are given some time to read the book or listen to it. The questions to this book will be available to you only after the completion of this time. Don't worry, if you need to, you can always read or listen to the book again while attempting the questions. To go through the book, click on these page numbers to go to the next page of the book. You can also flip a page by dragging it like this to go ahead. You see, there are a number of questions here. All are based on the book you have opened. While you have already read or listened to the book before, you can do it again here. You will be required to answer all the questions. Simply select like this the question you want to answer. There are a number of types of questions. Let us look at how to attempt some of them. In a select word question, double-click on the word in the story on the left-hand side. If you need to, you may remove the words selected by you by clicking on the cross. To go from one question to another, you can either use these buttons or click on the question number. In true and false type questions, select the tick marks as true and crosses as false. In questions where you rearrange words, you click on the word and drop it into the correct box. Some questions have a drop-down list like this. Click on the correct option. Simply click here and select the answer. When a question asks you to punctuate, click on the word where you want to put a punctuation mark. You will get a list like this to select from. Remember to click on the Save button after each change. A question may require you to drag a box on the right to match it correctly to the box on the left. Simply take your cursor to the box on the right, pull it down and drop it opposite the box on the left. To type an answer to fill in a blank, click on the blank space and type your answer. Some questions have an audio button. Click on it to listen to it. If required to type in a box like this, click inside the box and start typing your answer. In questions like this, you will click on the button to select the correct answer. You see, these boxes here are in different colors. The questions that you selected and completed are green. The ones you did not complete are grey. The question that you are answering right now is orange in color. The ones in blue are pending. This helps you to know how many questions are left to answer. To complete a book and to go back to the main menu, click on the Back to the Bookshelf button. You will reach the main menu. Let us now take a look at this book too. Click on this book and flip it. You see this is an audiobook. Click on this audio button to listen to the story and then answer these questions given below. Remember, you have to attempt all the books. To submit your test, click on the Finish button. Click on Cancel to go back to the test. If you want to finish, click on Finish and then click on Confirm. In the end, click on Log Out to exit. Have fun taking the Diagnopiad.